Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool washer fill hose filter screen. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new fill hose filter screens. The fill hose filter screen filters the water as it comes into the washer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's clogged and the washer is not filling properly. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the washer. Now that we're on back, we have access to the fill hoses. The filter screens are on each end of the hose. They're all changed out the same way. So we're going to show you how to do one of them. All you have to do is take the pliers and loosen up the fill hose. Once you have the fill hose loose, you can just unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, we can use a small flathead screwdriver to pry out either a washer or screen, whatever you have in there. Once you have it out, we can pull it off the hose. Here's the old fill hose filter screen next to the new ones. If you already have these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. They come in a set of 4, so you can just change them as needed. To put the new fill hose filter screen in, all you have to do is press it into the hose fitting. Once you have it seated, you can put it onto the water valve. When you put these on, you just want to start them by hand so you don't cross thread it and damage the water valve. Once you have it snugged down, you grab the pliers, tighten it down so you get a good seal, you don't have any leaks. Once you have it tightened down, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.